PDF files are everywhere, at work, school, and online. But they often waste more time than they should. Think about this. You open a PDF, and suddenly you need to edit it. Then you realize the file is too big to send, so you compress it. Then someone asks for a Word version. And after that, you need to merge it with another document. One simple file turns into 4 different problems. Most people solve this by jumping between different apps, different websites, or even paying for expensive software they barely use. And that's the real problem. PDFs are simple, but we make them complicated. In this video, I'll show you how to handle almost any PDF task using one free website. Open your browser and go to tinywow.com. Right away, you'll see dozens of tools for PDFs, images, and videos, all in one place. Let's say you need to convert a PDF to Word. Just click the PDF to Word tool, upload your file, and download the result. No sign up, no watermarks, no limits. Need to compress a large PDF for email or WhatsApp? Choose the Compress tool, upload, and it instantly reduces the file size. What about merging documents? Just drag multiple PDF files, rearrange the order, and export a single file. You can also split pages, remove pages, rotate files, and even extract text. And again, no account needed, and nothing to install. This is perfect if you work with documents every day, or if you just want quick fixes without wasting time. The biggest mistake people make with PDFs is overcomplicating simple tasks. You don't need 5 apps. You don't need paid software. One free website is enough. So next time a PDF slows you down, remember, the solution is simpler than you think. And if you want more free tools that save time and make tech easier, you'll find them right here on this channel. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.